Welcome back to the channel. So in a previous episode you see me make my bed frame just so I can see if it fits properly using the Project 2000 Lippert system. So this is the frame carcass I've made, and I've just got it in place with the straps all in place as well, and the different foam I got for different arrangements, which I will show you later on in this video. So I've just been to pick up my upholstery. I gave my upholstery the foam, all cut to size, and this is what he's made for me using the sort of a grey anthracite material. The material is really good quality and it's meant for like camper vans because it's mildew resistant. As you can see by the cushion on the left, there's a zip that goes all the way down, so you can actually take off these covers and put them in the washing machine if you so wish. So for the electric bed, I've got the wiring in place and I've rigged it up temporary to a supply with a fuse, so just so I can test the bed working. So this is its first trip down. I have had it up and down just to test it, but using the manual winder on the motor. But this is the first actual test I've got using full electrics. Something I'm not too happy with is this cable carrier. It does seem to kink a bit. It's not that good quality, so I'm decided to change that, but I'll show you later on in the video. So now I'm just going to get the mattress in place and all the upholstery so I can test all the different ways I can have the bed, which will be clearer once you've seen the video. You will see here that I've deliberately had an offset here. Instead of coming straight down, I've gone at a slight angle because when the bed's up, it gives it a bit more tension and stops the bed from swaying, especially when I'm driving. There is not a lot of movement in it, but I thought if I make it as rigid as I can, then there's less risk of damage. These are just the end caps that go over just to make it look a bit neater as well. When these cushion covers are up, when I'm driving around, they're absolutely going to fall down. So what I've decided to make is these little Velcro straps. Now, I've just used some ribbon, some black ribbon. It's about 2 inches wide, 50mm, and I've just sewn on some Velcro each end. That will help secure them when in transit. And earlier in a previous video, I did mention this little bar here that I've made to separate the two colour carpets. Now that's come in useful now because this is what I can attach the straps to, just to keep those upright cushions secure when I'm driving. Now this is option one I've got when I'm using the bed. If I'm going away on my own, it just makes the bed a little bit smaller, but this is how I can use the bed. I can just lower the bed down onto the cushions and that's my bed instantly done. I've got a second option which will be shown further on in this video. it just gives me another probably foot either side, 300mm either side, and also longer in length, but I will go through that further on in this video. Now the ceiling light doubles up as another light, so I can look what's underneath the bed when it's down. So I ordered some other cushions as well. These have also got zips, so they're washable, but these make the bed even bigger. So you put the thinner cushions down the side. I've made them in 4 pieces, so it's easier to store them, maybe underneath those seats or somewhere else in the van, but that extends the bed even wider, and the same on the other side as well. So by putting on these headers as well, that makes the bed even longer. So you can see it's a real full-size bed there, length and width, plenty of room. If you didn't want those straps at the back hanging down where your head goes, you can let the belts down a little bit further, and then you can place them behind the cushions at the back, so it keeps the webbing out the way. So going back to what I said about the cable, it's not great quality, the one that comes with the kit. So I ordered another one which is a little bit more heavy duty, more thicker plastic. So I'm gonna, get rid of this one and install the thicker one I've got. It just kinks a bit, and the actual the hinge mechanisms is not that great. It keeps on popping out. So that's the reason why I decided to go for something else. This is the one I've ordered. I just got it from Amazon, but it's a lot thicker duty. It's a little bit bigger, but it's a much thicker plastic, and it seems to be a lot more quality and a lot more stronger. So over the next week or so, I should be installing this. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my bed actually working via the electrics. And I've shown you the different options you can use for it, and different sizes you can turn the bed into. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. I think I'll be fitting my bull bars and LED light at the front of the vehicle.